How to change TP-Link Router Wi-Fi password. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to the TP-Link network, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open a web browser and in the address bar, type http://tp-link-wifi.net and then press enter. This action will take you to the router login page. Step 3. Enter the router's username and password. If you haven't changed these from the factory settings, the username and password are both admin. After entering username and password, click Login. Once you are logged in, you'll see the router admin dashboard. Step 4. Now click Wireless on the left side of the page. Step 5. Then click Wireless Security to continue TP-Link Wi-Fi Password Change. Step 6. Here you can see your current Wi-Fi password. Type your new Wi-Fi password of minimum 8 characters. Step 7. Now, click on Save to save the changes. And that's it, your TP-Link Router Wi-Fi password has changed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.